Johnny here for Johnny's Car Care and Reviews, and we've got Marie and our co-host Winston. So we're finally in Outer Banks. We're at Corolla, so we're going to be driving down the beach. So please join us. You're going to enjoy this. We're going to have all sorts of fun on the beach. Hopefully crack out that drone. And you know what's really cool? We actually get to compare that wonderful, awesome green with the blue. So if you've been having trouble picking your color, there you go. Maybe that'll help you. But that green is absolutely incredible. So
it's gorgeous in the sun.
It's gorgeous in the sun. What we've just done is we've aired down. Now, I didn't buy any fancy tools. I just took the plastic cap off my tires. I turned it around so that the head would fit right into that little circular pin. We depressed the pin, and it was about, what, 10 seconds per pound of pressure. So we put them down. It took about a minute and a half, and I counted out a minute. Yeah, I counted out a minute and a half, tested it, dropped a little bit more out, ended up being about 160, 180 seconds, and we aired right down. So easy peasy. Now let's hit the beach and have some fun. Okay, so two issues that arise. As soon as you put it in sand mode, your rear diff locks and you're in 4H, 4 high. So if you're not on really soft, loose stuff, your back end is going to squeal. Those tires and diff are not going to like it one bit. Okay, so here we are on Corolla Beach. This is in the Outer Banks. Johnny's Car Care and Reviews here with Marie and Winston. So what we've done is we've aired down the tires so we can come out and see the sights. Very oddly though, my pressure sensors, if you want to show right in here, Marie, we're gonna have to find a place where it's safe. We're gonna have to find a place to find where it's safe, because it's saying I have a ton of pressure in the tires. That doesn't make sense. It's not possible, but I gotta double check what's really going on here. So luckily we got Bronco Wild Outdoors here with their fancy tool for checking out tire pressure, and we'll get Gavin to help us out and see where we're at with this tire pressure. So the issue with the tire pressure is that if your pen has ever had the top or bottom blow out of it, it's gonna read incorrectly, and that's what happened. It was reading incorrectly. My initial system does work, but then I kept using the pen to test, and well, it looked like I needed to add pressure. So I added pressure because, well, the pen, if the top's ever blown off, basically when you stick it back together, it'll likely just stop at the level of pressure, which in this case was 10, before the head actually pops back off again. So once you've got a bad pen, once the top or bottom have blown out once, throw it away. It'll save you from having a bad day. So let us at Johnny's Car Care and Reviews make the mistakes for you, because there's a whole lot more to come, because we're going to be having a full, bringing you on the full beach day and not just covering tire pressure, obviously. So stay tuned. Let's talk about airing up. So Dwayne and I did our good deed of the day. Yeah. Dwayne pulled and I dug. I shoveled. So I'm out of breath because I shoveled out the vehicle, and that Bronco pulled it out. So we had some of our recovery stuff with us. We had our strap, but Dwayne beat me to it from Bronco Wild Outdoors. When you've been in sand mode, don't forget to turn your rear diff, unlock it. Oh, hon, you need to stop going in a corner. You need to stop the vehicle. The diff needs to unlock. So that's what happens if you drive with your diff locked. So don't forget, when you're in sand or mud mode, you need to turn your diff off. Otherwise, you're gonna have that problem. And now we're back to airing up our tires, which earlier on today, I told Marie that we're gonna go air down the tires, and she heard hair down hair down, so she's like, what, we're gonna hair down at the beach? So always fun when you've got an English-French bilingual relationship. So a little trick here, we're at the air up station. We aired down earlier. Now when you want to air up, we counted how I count. It's quick, 10 seconds, but when we're airing out, we need about 10 seconds for every pound that we let out, and that's a quick 10 seconds. It's probably more like 7. And when we air up, well, it takes 2 seconds for every pound that we add. So we were able to do that with also what's written in the dash. So that was a really good way to get almost spot on to 40. Usually give or take over or under by only 3 pounds of pressure. Now, of course, if you have a partner, if Marie-Pierre hadn't been putting on the top here real quick, if she would have been in the vehicle, she could have just, you know, yelled out like, hey, we got 40 pounds. So that's a little trick. Hope it helps, because at Johnny's Car Care and Reviews, that's what we do. We do everything with the idea of helping you out. Let us make the mistakes, let us goof off and, you know, have issues. We want to help out, so like and subscribe. It's very much appreciated, because of course it does help feed a poodle and dress a poodle. So really much appreciated everyone who subscribed, and it also helps fund the nonsense and any damage or troubles we might incur on our journeys. And speaking of journeys, of course we're going to take you on the beach. Now that's the next video. We're going to be showing you everything that we saw, everything we learned, and all the mistakes we made. So let us make the mistakes for you and join along for the ride.
Almost.
Give her, hon.
Work hard.
Pedal to the metal.
We got it. Almost get stuck.
Oh, that's cool. I love almost getting stuck.
Oh my god, that's so tight.
Yes, that is tight, hun. Oh, that is tight.
Just one branch to the mirror.
Just one branch to the mirror?
Yeah.
Not the paint? Well, that's no
Not
big
the paint,
deal.
it was the mirror. Wow, that's beautiful. I love it. You want to live there, honey?
Yeah, I want to live here for sure.
We could buy a house. I don't know what's the cost of these houses, because they are so big and they are in the sand. So.
Oh, look at her. Oh, we're in sky mode. Oh, you're digging, hun. You're digging. No, hun. You got to back it up. Yeah, back it up. That you got to back it up, baby.